Today, we're diving into how to create engaging and creative social media posts using ChatGPT. Whether you're handling a business account or sprucing up your personal page, stick around to learn how to make your posts stand out. Let's dive right in. Every great social media post starts with a clear purpose. What do you want your audience to take away from this post you're planning to? Watch how I'll type my prompt right here. So for instance, create a witty and informative social media post about our new eco-friendly packaging. So here's my prompt right here. Then let's hit send to let ChatGPT process with the results. And here we go. So here's what ChatGPT just generated right here. So notice how specific the results are. It mentions the tone, the focus, and even the engagement strategy. It's a solid start, right? But let's say we want to enhance the humor or adjust the phrasing. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other ChatGPT nerds like us. Now that you've set your post's purpose, let's tweak it a little bit. I'll ask ChatGPT to dial up the humor and make the question more engaging. For instance, I'll type out the prompt here like, make this post funnier and rephrase the words to make it more engaging. Focus on the struggle with traditional packaging. And here we go. Then send it over for ChatGPT to generate. Here we go. See how it's processing right now? So look at that. With a few tweaks, we've got a post that's even more engaging and humorous. This iterative process is key to refining the content until it perfectly aligns with our brand's voice and our audience's expectations. Now that our text is engaging right here, let's enhance it with visuals. Great visuals not only attract attention, but also help communicate our message more effectively. ChatGPT, right here, can assist in conceptualizing these visuals even if it can't create them directly. When typing your prompt, let's just say, I need ideas for an image that illustrates the struggle with traditional packaging. Something humorous and relatable. Here we go. You can also provide a clear theme and mention specific elements like humorous and relatable. Just guide the AI to generate ideas that align with our post's tone. So here we go. Let's send it over to ChatGPT for it to generate the results. And there. Okay, here we go. So this is how ChatGPT is currently processing based on what you're putting in the input right there. So see how each idea it generated, how it's currently processing right now, helps us craft the visual concept. It's all about getting closer to an image that's not only matches the text, but enhances the overall post. Remember, the key to successful visual content is ensuring it tells a story or adds value to the text. Always aim for visuals that complement and enhance the message you want to convey. And that's how you write social media posts using ChatGPT.